Creating tutorial videos doesn't have to be time-consuming or overly complicated. With Descript, you can go from idea to polished video in a fraction of the time, and there's no video editing experience required. In this video, we'll show you how to record your tutorial, make it clear and concise, design for easy learning, and share with your audience. Let's dive in. You can start by uploading a recording or record right in Descript. You can capture your camera, screen, or both. Or avoid the hassle of being in front of the camera altogether by using an avatar instead.
Hi there. Today, I'll guide you through how to choose a health plan on healthcare.gov in just a minute.
Once your video is created, you will get an instant transcript ready to edit right away. Just delete or cut and paste text to edit your video. If you need to swap a word, use Regenerate to smooth things out without re-recording. To save time, use Underlord to edit your entire video in moments with actions like remove retakes, remove filler words, and edit for clarity. You can also add chapter markers to help your viewers jump to key moments, making learning more efficient. Use scenes and layouts to segment content and showcase features with clarity. Make your video more dynamic and engaging with B-roll, images, music, and sound effects from Descript's stock media library. Descript automatically adds smart transitions, so your visuals change gracefully from scene to scene. Once it's finished, share your tutorial instantly with a link. If you're working with different teams or stakeholders, you can enable comments and get feedback directly on the shared page. Easily repurpose your finished tutorial into short social clips to share across different channels, expanding your reach.
Feeling overwhelmed? That's where we at Lionshirt come in. Our AI Safari.
But why stop here? Translate your voiceover and captions into more than 20 languages with natural-sounding voices to reach a global audience.
Tout le reste, vous le savez probablement, comme la taille de votre foyer et votre localisation.
As you can see, Descript makes creating tutorials easy, fast, and intuitive, so you can focus on your content instead of struggling with complex editing tools. Ready to create your tutorial? Try Descript today.